Hello, welcome back in my channel. My name is Miro Vrlik and I'm photographer and videographer, and this is my new episode from my best-selling images and the video on May 2021. Like every month before, you will see my editorial images and commercial images what I sold for last month. I hope so you will enjoy this short video and will bring you some idea what to shoot or what footage you can make. You can also see some pricing from some images for your better idea for how much you can sell images, and I hope so this will be also helpful for you. Best agency for me at this month is definitely Shutterstock, Paint, Alamy and Adobe. This four is definitely my best agency in May 2021. In my side I am decide update my video footage portfolio, and I already started work on this last year, but I definitely want update more video to any agency I am working with. And also I would like to help my customers with video footage and not just only with the picture. This is really when I end with my decision about my update for a new camera, and I think will be something what is more on video side than on photography side. I just want to remind you all, please just remember, you don't have to go too far for good picture or for good video footage. Just walk around your area where you're living, because nobody has better choice, nobody has better chance to take picture around you like yourself. Because if anybody travel to other destination, it will be just visitors, will be there just couple days, sometimes maybe just one day. This means it's a lot of opportunity for you, and I must say, last month I shoot a lot of picture around me, and I must say many of the pictures already sold. Don't bring me so big money, but what I like, it's definitely saleable even if you go just 2 or 5 minutes around your house or just walk around in your town. Thank you for watching this episode, and please subscribe to my channel and click on the like, and I will try bring you more new episodes about the video and photography market. I hope so I will bring you soon more new videos, and I will try be in touch with you through this channel. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day and great coming months.